Welcome to the SIG Asia Pacific Technology Center. We are a campus in Suzhou Industrial Park, 28,000 square meters of area, with newest environment-friendly construction design of LEED and ESGB certified building. We provide various technology services such as product filling trials, filler assembly, filler training, as well as offering packaging and filler design plus development for Asia Pacific and global customers in the food and beverage industry. First, we come to the GT building. It consists of equipment technology, packing technology, aseptic science, global engineering and application team, and others. We strive to provide the innovative products to Asia Pacific and global customers. Here we are in the pilot plant. Good product starts with good concept and formula. We integrate the industry's top resources to achieve one-stop technology service from raw material and formulation selection, process development and equipment configuration to final product filling trial. We believe through our relentless endeavor and your powerful support, SIG Asia Pacific Technology Center will embrace a stronger and broader future.